Hello guys, welcome back to 99 Reviews. If your iPhone speaker sound is too low, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you some simple and effective solutions to fix it. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, go to Settings. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Now scroll down again and tap on Hearing Devices. Here you'll see an option called Hearing Device Compatibility. Make sure this option is turned off. This setting is designed for hearing aids, and sometimes it can reduce your speaker volume. Solution 2. Next solution, again go to Settings. Tap on Accessibility, now tap on Touch. Scroll down and tap on Call Audio Routing. Here, make sure it is set to Automatic. If it's set to speaker or Bluetooth, it can affect your sound performance. Solution 3. If the problem is still not fixed, try this step. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap on General, then tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now tap on Reset. Select Reset All Settings. Enter your iPhone passcode and confirm again. Don't worry, this will not delete your data, but it will reset system settings like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and sound settings. If none of the settings works, then the issue might be physical. Check your iPhone speakers, both the bottom speaker and the top speaker. Sometimes dust or dirt blocks the sound. You can gently clean it using a soft brush or a dry toothbrush.